And now on BBC Two, it's now time for the 10th and the very last series of the Bearsons.
Hello everybody, well then viewers, so here we go then. So today is the 20th episode of this last ever series of the Bearsons. Oh, and I'm glad to be back doing the intro again. Because today viewers, me and my family are going to be watching fireworks. Oh, because today is the 4th of July. That's called Guy Fawkes Night. That's something to do with a fireworks incident on that very day. And also, it was Independence Day too. Could you believe it? Yeah. That's why me and my family are going to be watching fireworks. Don't worry everybody, I'm not going to bother sorting fireworks out. We can watch the fireworks on the computer to make it look like it's a real thing. Woohoo! Well, I better go see my family. See you in a minute everybody.
Say with me. Wow, fireworks, eh? Oh, I can't wait to see it. What? I wonder if Andy Pandy.
What?
Oi! Darn it. All out of here, man.
Alright then, everybody. Now, listen up now. Now, I know I'm back from my vacation. Don't you worry, everybody. I have changed.
Oh, good. Dad, why have you changed all of a sudden?
Well, you see, boy, only because I've had some stressful times. Well, I've just decided that I'm going to continue until this show gets cancelled.
Oh, dear. So, does that mean that we'll have to go on? Is it without you?
Nothing like that, but no.
Oh. Alright, Dad. So, what are we doing today, Dad? Yeah, that's what I want to know, Dad.
Well, I'll tell you. Because today is Guy Fawkes Night, a.k.a. Fireworks Day.
Yay! Fireworks! Ooh, I'm so looking forward to this. I wonder if Andy Pandy would set the fireworks off.
But I'm not going to do that. Now, because besides, I wouldn't even go near the fireworks.
Why is that, Dad?
Well, because we're going to watch it on the computer.
That sounds even better. What do you think, Dad?
Well, it'll be pretty good, but
yeah, I agree with you, Buddy Boy.
Oi! Lisa, do not call me Buddy Boy!
Sorry. That's alright. Why do you keep calling me Bawdy Boy for? I am not Bawdy Boy. Only Maggie calls me that, not you. But that's what you are, aren't you? No, I'm not. Alright. I suppose I better stop calling you Bawdy Boy then.
Yes, I'm afraid you have to. So promise me that.
I promise.
Good.
Bawdy Boy.
What?
Nothing, Bud.
Good.
Oh. Alright then, Dad. So, what is Fireworks Day anyway?
Well, good question, Bart. Well, thank goodness that Bart has changed his behaviour one thing. And besides, Bart, the reason why it's called Fireworks Day, because it was called Guy Fawkes Day. Because of a fireworks incident.
Ooh, the fireworks incident? Isn't that the one that when he was trying to kill everyone?
Yes, Bart, that's the one.
Ooh, mind you, I would kill my dad. What, Bearson? You want suddenly not killing your father like good Guy Fawkes did. Now go back to your mum. Ow! Sorry. That's alright. So anyways, Dad, so who is Guy Fawkes? Well, Guy Fawkes, it's probably an evil man who was trying to use fireworks to kill people in the old days. Ooh, well, that's a long time ago, wasn't it, Dad? Yeah, of course it was, son. It was. Maggie, have you seen the fireworks before? Yeah, I suppose that means, yes, she has seen some fireworks before. Well, you're in for a big treat, Maggie, I promise you. I mean, after all, who's in for a big treat? Who's in for a big treat? Me. Yeah, that's right, Maggie. You. Oh, and are you looking forward to seeing some fireworks, at least? Yeah, of course I'm looking forward to it, Andy. Yeah, but at least I get to watch it with Benny Boy. Oh yeah, with Maggie too. Yeah, good for you. Alright, now, I'm gonna get that all set up now, so you guys wait here. Alright, Dad. Oh, alright, Dad. Alright, Dad. Alright, Andy. Alright, Andy. Alright. Well, see you in a minute, everybody. Let's see with me. Oh, wow. I guess the Andy has learned about Guy Fawkes now. Yeah, it's a good thing he's learned that from school. How about you, Andy? Yeah, I have. Oh, good. Alright then, everybody. Don't you worry. See? It's on computer, so it looks like a real thing. Yay! Oh, that's awesome, Dad. Yeah, I agree with you, Dad. Yeah, me too, Andy. Good, I knew you'd like it. Right, allow me to do the countdown. Right, here we go. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fireworks! Oh. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. There. Well, Barbara, the fireworks are so awesome! Yeah, I knew that, Andy. Oh, you've come prepared. Right, Bobs. 40. Oh, thanks, Maggie. Yeah, I love you too, Max. Oh, Maggie. Oh, Lisa. Whoa, look at that. The fireworks. Right, look at all those colours and stuff. Oh yeah, it looks just like in a real thing. Well then, everybody. Well, what do you all think of the fireworks? Yeah, that looks good, Dad. I think I like the colours. So do I, Bud. Yeah, so do I, bro. Yeah, so do I. Booty boy. Lisa, you promised, boy, you would have called him a booty boy. Alright, I knew that. Fireworks. I'm gonna have a close image. What? Yes, Dad? What are you doing, son? Nothing. Yes, you are. I think you were just about to get close to a firework. Oh. Are you sure, Dad? I mean, it's on screen. Now, I don't care if it's on screen. Just keep away. How about no? Well, how about if you get fireworks in your eye? That's the worst thing you could have. Oh, yeah? Well, I'm going to get closer anyway. But, no! Please, don't get it, Booger! But I can't help it, Dad. It's the... Oh, dear. Don't you worry, Barbara. I'll sort Bort out. Alright, Andy, but remember, don't be too harsh on him. I won't. Good. Are you alright, son? I'm alright, Dad. Oh, fucking fireworks is so right. What, Bearson? You just don't listen to me, do you? Of course I listen. Don't you lie to me.
You don't listen to me at all. Sorry. That's okay, son. Hey, what? Go back to Maggie then, and I'm sure you can see the rest of the fireworks, but stand back! Oh yeah, another thing, but you should never go near a firework, because it could explode in your face.
Oh. It has. Alright, Dad. I suppose I'm going to get back to the spot then.
Okay.
Alright, Dad. How are my eyes? Can I have a quick look? Yeah, sure. Yeah, I think your eyes alright. Yeah, I had a say with that one. And as for your butt, get off it. Ow!
Put it,
What's she saying, Dad? Well, I believe she's saying to you, nice of you to drop in. But, oh, well, thank you, Maggie. Don't ask. It's a long story.
Alright, well, I'm going to get back to my spot. Well then, everybody. Wow, the fireworks were fantastic. Alright, Paul, what's your favourite firework?
Well, my favourite firework is basically the bangs.
Oh, you like the bangs, do you?
Yes.
Well, what about you, Maggie? Obviously she doesn't know. What's your favourite firework, Barbara?
Well, my favourite work is probably the carrying wheel.
Barbara, we don't have any of these things here.
Oh, just say.
Alright. What's your favourite firework, Ben?
Well, my favourite firework is the red ones, because of my lovely Lisa here.
Oh, Benny.
What's your favourite firework?
My favourite firework is basically red and yellow, because I got my dress. Oh, do you like my dress, Benny?
Yeah, of course I do, Lise. How could I forget your dress? Oh! Ben, are you really making out with Lisa? Not this time, but she's only just asking me a simple question. Oh, well, phew. What did you say, little bro? Nothing. Good. Alright, Lisa, yeah, I understand that you just like to show that Benny Boop your red dress.
What? My husband is not Benny Boop.
Oh yeah, well, how about Benny Boop?
Benny Boop? How dare you? Right, I did. I'm going to do you, Benny.
Oh, Lisa, what? There you go, me old belly. Get out there, you stinky girl.
How dare you? Right, that's it. I'm going to throw you, my body boy.
Ow! Ow! Hey! Ow! Lisa! Oh! You're even more busted acting panties! What? Get back here this instant! Alright. Oh, hello again, Fort. Well, nice of you to drop in. Thanks, Ben. Oh, and I'm sorry if I had to call you a Benny Boop. Well, it's just that's what it is, isn't it? No, it's not, but so you need to behave yourself.
Yeah, I agree with Ben this time. Yeah, you need to behave yourself, boy.
Alright. Oh, and I'm sorry if I called your husband Benny Boop.
That's alright, and I'm sorry if I had to throw you away too.
That's alright. Well, if you're going to make love with Ben, you might as well just do it now. Alright, well, alright, Maggie. Well, do you want to come with me to bed tonight? Okay, then. Tell you what, I'll try and carry you. Right, come here, girl. Oh. Right, there we are. I got her with me now. Well, goodbye, everybody. See you in the next episode. Well, whenever I am on it. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright then, Barbara. Well, it looks like Bort's gone home now. And I think we'll just go home too.
Okay, Andy. Right, I'll leave first, Andy.
Alright.
Bye-bye, everybody. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Oh, and bye-bye for me, Andy Bearson. Oh, and don't worry, everybody. I'm not in the next episode very often. well, I'm going to say goodbye anyway. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Alright, Lisa, right, over to you with Ben now. I'll just leave the rest of the fireworks just for you then. Here you go.
Thanks, Andy.
Yeah, thanks, Dad. You're welcome. See you next time, everybody. Oh, and don't worry, everybody. I'll give you some fireworks tip later.
Well, Lisa, do you know what?
Oh,
I think I like fireworks.
yeah, I'd like it too, Benny. Oh, should we have a closer look?
Well, alright then, Lisa, but we're not going to stand too close, though. Yeah, 'cause it's very dangerous otherwise.
Oh, we'll be alright. We'll be, Benny.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Oh, Benny.
Oh, Lisa.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Yeah, I agree. And you know something, Lise? I think that you're much like a pussycat to me.
Do you think so?
Yeah, of course I think so. Right, give me a kiss, baby.
Oh, now you're saying. Okie dokie. Alright, kiss me.
Oh, look at that. Looks like Ben and Lisa are so adorable as always. Oh.
So, Benny, how was the kiss?
Very good.
Oh, Benny, Benny, Benny. Happy, happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy.
Ow! Alright, Lisa, I get it now. Right, get off, cheeky monkey.
You could be cheeky monkey. Oh, yeah? We'll see about that. Oh, Benny. I love you.
I love you too, sweetie pie. Come to my lap.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I think we'll both lie down. And I'll just cuddle up to you.
Yep, as I said from earlier, they are so adorable when they hug together. Alright, well, I better leave you with Andy Bearson's fireworks safety tip. Over to you, Andy.
Thank you. Okay, everybody. Now that I'm here to tell you about fireworks safety tip. Now, here are some of the few rules that you need to follow. 1. Don't play with fireworks, as it may hurt you. And 2. Never go back to a lit firework, as it could explode in your face. And make sure you read the instructions carefully and only use a torch just to help you read. Oh, and don't even use a match, cause you may be a firework, cause it could explode as well. So, just like Ed Banger would. Oh, and number 3, never put a firework in your pocket, and that's asking for trouble, just like Bearson. Oh, and make sure you have fun safely with fireworks, so you only let an adult do this bit for you, so it's just to prevent you from getting hurt.
And observe the rules. Yeah, and always listen to your parents for when they told you to.
Yep, as Ben said, you can never have fun if you're not safe. Oh yeah, and of course, as for animals, make sure you keep your pets, babies, inside the house. Oh yeah, because you never know, because they'll get scared of bangs. So please do it. Now that I've told you about my fireworks safety tips, time for me to say goodbye again. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
The end, and a special thanks to Andy for giving us the tips. The end.
everybody. That's all, folks, and farewell.